My name is Mike Bruner. I am Vice President for Student Services here at Century College. The Bridge to Success is a set of initiatives that support students in being successful. Depending on the student assessment as they enter college, we realize that some students need different types of support. Some students need a lot of support in the area of math. Some students need more support in the area of reading, some in writing, and some in just general study skills. Well, the major accomplishment for the Bridge to Success is that we have students that understand the support services that are available on the campus and that are more likely to utilize those services and utilize the skills of the people who are working to support them, to help them, rather than go it alone or try to accomplish what they want to accomplish without support. My favorite part of the Bridge to Success is an area, quite frankly, where we've had such good results, and that is in the area of tutoring. So what we do is we interest a student who has taken the course before. So they've already taken the course and they've been successful in the course, and they are paid to sit through the course a second time and work closely with the faculty in helping students in the class. So it's as a peer to fellow students in the classroom. They are there to assist either through study groups, just asking questions, working with students in the class from the perspective that they have by taking the class this semester. That's really my favorite part of the program because it is just showing such results. Well, the Bridge to Success is a program that continues to evolve. In the Bridge to Success program, we continue to look at ways to streamline and establish pathways for students from where they are when they come to the college to where they want to go and to attain their educational goals. So, for example, we will look increasingly at ways to create clear pathways for a student, regardless of the area that they want to pursue. We want the student to know what they need to enroll in, when they need to enroll in it, and they need to know also that those courses they take will also transfer to the university where they want to go, or they will assist them or support them in completing their certificate or diploma so that they can go straight to industry. But the main thing with the Bridge to Success is the program denotes our interest, our effort in doing what is necessary to make students successful. Century College is all about making students successful, and we want to do whatever is necessary to help that to happen.